Steve Mignani here. As you probably know, I'm kind of into cars, but I also enjoy coins and coin collecting. Not the traditional kind where I have to have the best grade, pennies, nickels, and dimes in my little blue sampler book, but rather error coins, which you can actually find in your pocket change. One of the most common error coins is something called the Blank Planchet. That is a penny right there that didn't make it through the minting process of where the obverse and reverse designs were pressed into it. These actually do get out into circulation. Beyond that, there are things like this. This is called an off-center strike. And that's a dime right there that we can see on both sides has absolutely somehow gone very wrong. I have another one here that's a nickel, same basic department right here. Check it out how you can see that it's off-center. Now the thing that establishes value on these things generally is whether or not you can see the year, the date, which is generally stamped in at around the 5 or 4 o'clock position on the face or the obverse of any coin. Another area of coin collecting is counterfeit coins. Now this is an 1888 silver dollar. It's really nice, it looks the part. And here's another one. Pretty much the same thing, very nice. These are both in about fine to extremely fine condition, but there's one major difference. And the fact is, this one, the silver one, is silver. Very nice, all good. Well, the fake one is magnetic. Yes, somebody actually took the time to create fake metal-based silver dollars. Don't know when this was done, but the government sure as heck didn't. But there is one other example of a magnetic penny, and that would be the 1943 steel cent. We see it right here. Some people call them silver pennies. Well, they're not silver, but they are magnetic. Whereas regular pennies from that period of time certainly are not. The point is that in 1943, the United States was deeply involved in World War II, and the copper otherwise used for a penny was way better used for bullets and shells. So that's why in 1943 only, pennies were made of zinc-type steel. And so that's the story on pennies right here from Steve Mags.